Ever wondered how to leave your mark on a digital document with a personalized signature in Docusign? Let's dive into the different methods available for creating and applying your signature, making your online agreements official. First, you'll receive an email from Docusign with a link to the document needing your signature. Click on the Review Document or Sign button to access it. Next, locate the signature field. It's usually indicated by a colored tab labeled Sign Here or your name. Now for the fun part, creating your signature. Docusign offers three main options. You can draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen, giving it a truly unique, handwritten feel. If you select the Draw option, a window will pop up. Use your mouse or finger to carefully draw your signature within the provided space. Click Adopt and Sign when you're satisfied. Alternatively, you can type your name, and Docusign will provide various stylized fonts to choose from. Scroll through the options until you find one that suits your professional taste. Finally, the Upload option allows you to upload an image of your signature. This is perfect if you already have a digital copy of your handwritten signature. Just make sure the image is clear and well-defined. Once you've chosen your signature method and created or uploaded it, simply click Adopt and Sign to apply it to the document, and that's it. You've successfully signed your document in Docusign. Remember to click Finish to submit the completed document.